Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University.
Dear students, I Dr. Shivang Patel, Associate Professor from School of Computer Science, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University, welcome you all from the Chaitanya studio of Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. In the lecture series of Python programming, in previous session we have discussed strings. We have already discussed strings are nothing but the collection, or you can say that the sequence of number of characters. In Python, there is no separate data type available for the character. So generally characters as well as the strings that are considering as a same thing in Python programming. So str data type that can be responsible to manage whatever the type of string data. In previous session we have discussed how to create string. There are multiple ways that we have discussed. Then after we have discussed basically three alternatives of creation of string, some inbuilt methods of string, different operations that can be possible on string. Now on today's session we are discussing the next concept, that is regular expression. Now you have already done that if you want to search something from the string, then multiple inbuilt methods of string that you are using. The same thing that you can use with the another concept, that is regular expressions. In short form you can say that RE, that is regular expressions. So regular expressions that are nothing but the collection of characters with a very specific syntax that may use to match or locate other characters or group of characters. That means suppose you are having string, you can say that you are having one line, two line or a paragraph, multiple lines or multiple kind of data, it is of type string. If you want to search something within that string, then what is your searching criteria, right? So that criteria that you can define with the help of regular expressions. So that regular expressions that are nothing but a group of characters that can be used to locate or to search something within the string. So it is very important feature for searching criteria for the string. In short form you can say that regex, that is regular expression, or regexp, that is regular expression. Now text manipulation, validations and search are common use of them. The built-in RE module in the Python that can be used or responsible for using the regular expressions. As you already aware, Python is a rich set of libraries as well as modules. So there are multiple modules available for different purpose. If you want to perform some different kind of operations like searching operation within the string, then there is an inbuilt module, that is RE module. You can say that the regular expression module available in the Python. You can use different functions of RE module to use multiple characters or multiple criteria for searching the string. So if you want to use that RE module, in that case you must have to import that RE module within your program. So whenever you are creating a program that will search something from the string, and if you want to use that RE module, you are requiring the first line, that is import and RE. As you already aware, suppose you want to import something, you are requiring a keyword import, and RE, that is the module that you are importing. So you have to write import and RE. Then within that program you can able to use whatever the methods, or you can say that the functions related with that RE module, and you can use within your program successfully. Now one thing, in the next subsequent session we will clear that exception handling, but in any other programming languages you already aware the concept of exception. Suppose some error may occur, whether it is syntax error, whether it is runtime error, you are firing or the compiler will fire some of the error message in terms of error or exceptions, right? So suppose you are doing some mistake, or there will be some implementation problem or mistake or error within the RE module, then the compiler will fire that particular expression or exception that is called re.error exception, right? So this is the exception that will fire if something wrong while you are implementing the RE module. Now these are the different functions that you can use with the RE. There are multiple other functions are there, but in your syllabus these are the very common functions that you have to study. First is find all. It is same as the find method we have discussed in the previous session for the strings, right? But here you have to use with the RE module. Find all that returns whatever the string available in your search source. So it will return the list of containing all the matches. Say for example, you are having multiple line of strings, you are trying to search Python word from those string. So Python that may appear in multiple times, say for example 2 times, 4 times, 5 times. So all that are searched in the form of list. So that amount of time that Python will be created, or it will be appear as an element within the list, right. So you can use find all for searching particular string. Then after search, here it will return a match object of which it is RE module's match object. If there is a match anywhere in the string, suppose there will be some match, you can find some string, then it will return the index value also from particular starting index to ending index, in which index that particular string exists, or the collection of characters that you are searching for that exist, that will be written. So that span that will be written. Then after third one is split, that is same as the string function that we are using. Suppose you want to split something, here we have to use some of the delimiters. Say for example you want to split the string by using comma, by using space, by using semicolon or any other character. In that case you have to use that, you have to mention that particular delimiter here. Same way here it returns the list where the string has been split at each match. Then after sub, that replace one or many matches with a string. So say for example if you want to replace that particular substring in one or multiple location, in that case you are using this sub function. Now we will implement all those functions with one demonstration, so you can get idea. Here first of all we want to use RE module, so we are importing this with the help of import statement. So import, then after space, and then after RE module. Then after we have created the string 1 equal to whatever the string you want to create, you can write in double quotation, single quotation or triple quotation as we have discussed in earlier session. Then suppose if you want to use that find all function, so RE dot find all, RE that is the module that you have import, then after dot you have to use, here the syntax you have to understand, and then after whatever the function. So whatever the function related with that module, if you want to use within the program, you have to use with that module name and then after dot and then after the function name. Whatever the parameters you want to pass, that you can pass within the parenthesis. So here you are passing two parameters. First parameter, that is your searching criteria. Here we are using th, right. So if you want to search th from whatever the string, that string source that you have to mention on the second parameter after comma. So string 1, that is our searching from which you want to search, and the first parameter, that is your searching criteria. So you can observe here in the output, it will return the list, and in the list wherever a particular th that exists, all will be appear in the form of element of list, right. Second is search operation. Suppose you want to search that specific word Python in the string. So as we have already discussed, it will return the match object. So you can observe in the output, it will return the match object with the specific span, that particular Python word that starts at which location index and ends at which location index, that will be written by that particular search function. Then after split, suppose you want to split that particular string, here you have to use delimiter, right. So here you are using the split, so delimiter, that is space. So wherever the space finds, then particular comma will be appear, and then after that string will be bifurcated or split in the form of list elements, right. Then after sub, if you want to find or if you want to search for a substring, if you want to replace that particular string with another, then it is also used. So here you are passing three parameters. First is space, so it will search for the space. Now space will be replaced with which character, that is your second parameter. Say for example you want to replace space with the asterisk sign, then you are passing asterisk in the second parameter, and the third parameter, that is the source of the string, that is nothing but string 1 here. So you can observe in the output, now space will be replaced with the asterisk. So this way you can use inbuilt functions that are related with the array module. Now special characters or the meta characters. Now suppose these are the characters, or you can say that these characters are collection of characters that can be used to simplify the searching pattern, right. So say for example, you already aware with the wildcard concept, wildcard character, question mark and dot character, right. So these are the characters that represents some group of characters within that searching criteria. So if you want to simplify your searching pattern or searching criteria, in that case whatever characters that you are using, that will be considering as the meta characters, or that will be used as a special characters. So RE supports, that is regular expression supports multiple characters, and that can be used to simplify the searching pattern within the string. So these are the different characters that can be considering as the special character or meta characters that can be used for searching. First is dot, that represent any character except the new line character. Suppose you are requiring to search any single character from the string, in that case you are using that dot. Then after caret, as we have discussed in the previous session, suppose you want to search specific string that starts with and ends with, that we have already discussed these two methods. Same way here, suppose you want to search at the beginning, then you are requiring to use that caret sign, so that starts with. Suppose you want to search at the end location, right, that particular word that is available at the ending pattern or ending string, in that case you are using the dollar sign. We will see all this in our program, so you can get more idea. Remember one thing here, caret that is used for beginning, searching in the beginning, and the dollar sign that can be used for searching at the end. Asterisk that represents 0 or more occurrence in the pattern. Don't confuse about multiple characters like dot, question mark, plus and asterisk. Dot that represent single character, any character. Asterisk that represents 0 or more occurrences within that particular pattern, right. Then after plus, so how it differs from the asterisk? So it represent at least once. In asterisk that means 0 or more, but plus 1 or more, right. That is the basic difference. That means at least one you want to search within the pattern, then you have to use plus sign, and if you are not sure about that, if it is 0 or more occurrences within that particular pattern, in that case you can use asterisk. Then after question mark, here it matches 0 or 1 occurrence, while in the case of dot it represent a single character but not the 0, but here question mark that represents 0 occurrence or 1 occurrence to find the pattern in particular string. Then after curly braces, if you are sure that if you want to search total number, exactly how many times that particular pattern occurs within the string, in that case you can use this curly bracket. Say for example, you can enter here any integer number, so exactly specified number of occurrences of that particular pattern that you can find. Then after square bracket, so it will define the set of characters. Suppose you want to put some searching criteria. Say for example, you want to find between the letter A to F, then you can write A dash F. So this kind of searching criteria you want to put, you are requiring that square bracket. Then after pipeline, suppose you are having two strings and you have to choose any one from those two strings, in that case you are using this pipeline symbol. Now we will see all this with one demonstration. Here on the right hand side, you can observe the output is there. Now first of all we are defining one string, that is hello world. Now we are using dot as a special character or meta character for searching pattern. So if you want to search something, say for example here we are using find all method. In find all method, in the previous example we have seen, suppose you want to search th character, right. So it will display in the list. But suppose you want to simplify your searching criteria, you have to filter out more precise the searching criteria, you are using this special character. So you can use here he then dot dot o. What it means? Dot that represent the single character or any character, but it is single. So here ll that is available in our string because our string is hello world. right? So it will display hello, it is in the form of list. Then after second, if you want to find out that particular string that starts with particular word or particular character, so you are using caret sign, then after hello, that means your string starts with hello word, that strings are appeared here or searched here. So you can see, so it is available, so we are using within the if condition. So if word is there, that means it returns yes or no. So if it is yes, then the output is yes, the string starts with the hello. Remember one thing, if you are using this find all and if the searching criteria matches with, that means starts with that particular string, then it will return yes. If it is not, then it will return no. So the boolean value that will be written here, if you want to put some specific message, then you can put with the help of if condition. Then third is find all word end. So our string is hello world, so world is the ending character. If you want to search in the pattern at the last position, right, or so in that case you are using the dollar sign. So you can use world and dollar, that means what, the world word that is available at the last position. So if it is there, then it will return true, if it is not, then it will return false, and accordingly we are using this in the if condition, right. Then after the next example, we are using find all he dot and asterisk sign. Here we are using asterisk, so you already aware asterisk represent 0 or more character, right. So you can observe here in the output he, then llo, that means 0 or multiple characters are available, and it is up to next search also. In world, that is wo, so o is also there, so after asterisk o will be there. So here the searching criteria stops, so the result is hello and wo. Then after in the second plus we are using, so the output is same, because asterisk represent 0 or more while plus represent 1 or more. So here 1 is also there character, that is hell, that is l is also there, and then after wo, so up to o our searching criteria stops, so it will result hello and then after wo. Then after we are using the question mark. Remember one thing, question mark that represent, that is one or represent one character, right. So here you can say that hello and he dot question mark. So here two characters are there ll, right, so it will return nothing. So here simply blank list will be displayed in the output of question mark. Then after we can see, if you want to search exactly that particular number of time, in that case you are using curly bracket. Say for example he dot in curly bracket 2 you are using, that means what, after h and e exactly 2 characters are required, and then after o will be there. If this condition will satisfy, then and then it will display whatever the search or match criteria string, that is hello, that will be displayed, because after e exactly 2 times that l will appear, right. If you are using here 3 or 1, in that case it will return nothing, because exactly that amount of time that particular character you want to search for, right, or particular position you want to search for. Then after square bracket you are using e dash r, so whatever the characters that are available in our searching string, that is between e to r, that will be displayed individually one by one in the form of list. You can observe here in the output h, e, l, l, o, o, r, l, these all character that will be searched when we are using this square bracket. Then after next is pipeline symbol. So as we have already discussed, if you are having two strings, here we are having hello and hi, two strings are there, you are searching for any one from these two string, in that case you are using pipeline. So our string is hello world, not hi world, right. So from these two only one that will be possible, so it will search that hello is available or not, or hi is available or not. So hello is available, that's why the return will, it will return the true value, and accordingly we are using this in the if condition, so it will return that particular hello is there and the match will found, right. Now we are concluding our session. In today's session we have discussed regular expression module, we have discussed which are the functions like find all, split all those functions that are available with the RE module. We have also discussed that regular expression, whatever the meta characters are used or the special characters are used for simplified or more effective the searching pattern within the string. In next subsequent session, we are going to start some more advanced concept on Python. Till then, happy learning, happy coding. Thank you.